we have talked about men cheating, right? Napahapyawan na rin natin kung paano mag-cheat ang ibang babae. Ngayon naman, I'll give you ways kung paano nag-cheat ang babae na hindi nila alam or they're not aware of it. Isa dyan is accepting money and gifts without you knowing. That is cheating. Tinanggap mo, akala mo okay lang yun. Number 2, making another man feel like he has a chance. Pinaparamdam mo sa kanya na parang may pag-asa siya. Another one is giving attention to another man. Madala pa, binibigyan mo siya ng importansya. Ito yung pinaka-common. Nakikipag-text ka, nakikipag-PM ka, Snapchat. Akala mo okay lang. That's cheating. Akala mo okay lang. Hindi alam ng partner mo o ng boyfriend mo. That's cheating. Lahat ng apat na ito, pag hindi ka aware, mahirap na. Wala namang ibang patutunguhan to. One thing leads to another. So ngayon, alam mo na if you're actually cheating or not.